welcome to John's Barrel Making. Today we've got the Ford Falcon. There we go. Issues 7 to 10. Excellent. Now there is an offer with Hachette for the first 10 issues. I think it's £50 altogether, so it works out at £5 an issue. That is still on the website, and it looks a brilliant model. There is the door. We'll be completing this today. I do like the wind-up mechanism of this. It is very, very good. Well, it's excellent actually. It's better than the Knight Rider model, put it that way, and the DeLorean, you know, with a little wheel underneath. This will have a handle on the inside, but I'll show you that when we get it finished. Here we have all the parts. Excellent, we should get through these in one video, no problem. And we do need a wheel. There we go, that looks superb as well, and easily put together. This is going to be an excellent model, I can see it now. Anyway, let's have a look at stage 7. Here we go, stage 7 of the iconic Ford Falcon XB GT post-apocalyptic edition. We have the right door. We have the inner panel. There's the door handle. Well, sorry, that's, yeah, the opening and closing handle. Yeah, not the winder. There we go, that's what we're left with. We'll complete it probably in 8. Now, it is a very good story, The Bug's Life, competition for the Ford Falcon. That's an excellent read, that, all about the Beetle. Starts with the just before the Second World War. And here we have language of customization. Brilliant, absolutely gorgeous cars in here. And then in stage 8 we have the middle panel for the door, lower panel for the door, armrest, window winder and screws. Excellent. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. So here we have the parts. Now in all these bags as well, we have a QR code here, and it also says Ford official licensed product. Excellent. That's in all the bags. There we go, those are the parts. We have the main inner panel for the door, the inner panel trim, the inner door handle, the inner door handle housing, PS14 and DSO2 screws. Now the first thing we need to do is to put the two parts of the door handle together. This is just a push fit connection that will go into there like that. That looks superb already. Cute. And then we put it onto here. There we go, it goes that way around. We have one screw for the back of it, which is a PS14 screw. Just push that into place there. Okay, let's get the screw into place. There we go. Excellent. Lovely bit of detail. There we go. Brilliant stuff. Now we need the door, and we need a cloth for this as well, because we're combining these two together. Make sure the window is fully up. There we go. Excellent. And that winder will come through there. There's 1, 2, 3 screw points onto here. Get all this lined up. There we go. That looks brilliant. The winder will go in here and the trim will go on here. And then we have 2 inner panels for here and here. Okay, we have 3 DSO2 screws. There we go, brilliant. And all we need now is the trim. So get this lined up. That will go there, wrong way around. So it goes that way around. There's a bit of flash on there. Make sure you get it right. The right way around. Line up the holes with the little pegs. And there we go. Yeah, you won't need glue for that anyway. That's brilliant. There we go. That's the door as it is. Once we get the winder on, that'll be fine. Looking brilliant. Excellent. Let's move on to stage 8. Okay, now we have stage 8. We have the right door. 2 more panels together with window winder and armrest that are fitted to the door. There we go. And that's what we're left with. Looking brilliant. And then language of customization, ready for treatment. Beautiful. That's a funny film. Bucket List 2007. Jack Nicholson, Morgan Freeman. and the Shelby Mustang. And then in the next issue we have new parts: front right wheel hub, disc brake caliper, inner protective plate, brake disc and screws. Excellent. Without further ado, let's get on with the build. Here are the parts, let's get them out. There we go, those are our parts. First thing we need to do is to pop the handle into place just on here. This does look as though it's got some, that's a push fit connection at the top, but we screwed it at the back. Does look as though it's got some, yeah, nice surface on that. Looks brilliant that. Get the screws out, PSO5. So we get the screw in place. There we go. Right, pop that to the side. Need the door. Okay, there we got the door. There's 4 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will go there like that. Make sure you get the end ones in. Can be just a bit awkward, I believe. There we go. And we can press the middle ones in. Well, one's gone in. There it is. There we go. That was tougher than I thought it was going to be. Excellent. Now we have this lower panel. I'll imagine this will be exactly the same. That one. No, that's a lot easier. Put the bottom clips in first. There we go. And then we have a handle. And the handle, there's a little notch just there, which will fit into here. So it will only go in one way. That's a nice tight bit as well. Make sure that is lined up, which it looks to be. Push that into place. And there we go. Brilliant. Lovely winder. That is as far as it goes up and down. Well, that's cool, that. That looks brilliant. And the paintwork is perfect. Looking fantastic. Excellent. There we go. That is stage 8 complete. Okay, now we have stage 9. We have the front right wheel, brakes and hub. So front right wheel hub, disc brake caliper, inner protective plate, brake disc, DS31, DS04 screws. Excellent. So pop all these into place and pop them onto the wheel. There we go. That's magnetic, the hub. Brilliant. And then we're having the magazine, Compact Revolution. That looks cool. Beautiful cars, Dumb and Dumber, yeah. Funny film. And then in the next issue, part 10, we have central, external and internal parts of the front left wheel rim, plus screws. That'll be a quickie. Anyway, we need that and we need the parts. So let's get on with the build. So here are the parts. There we go, those are our parts. First thing we need are the DS31 screws, and we need these 2 pieces. Now we've got the screw loaded up. We need to take the wheel hub and brake caliper. That will pop there like that. You can see it can't move once we've got it screwed into place. Get the screw in. That'll look superb that when it's in place. There we go. Excellent. Now we need, this is the protective plate, and you can see that little hole there. That will go over where the screw is, and there are 2 pegs there which go in that hole and that hole. So we get this through there like so. Get that lined up. You can see the screw there, and then we can push the pins into place. Excellent. There we go. That looks cool. Then all we do is take the brake disc, pop that over there like that. That will go there. There is a notch just here. Yeah, you can see that notch. That will fit onto here. Take the hub off. Will fit there. So we can get the wheel in place and we can screw this together. And we'll go there like so. Excellent. And we need a DSO4 screw. Okay, for some reason they've given us 3 of these DSO4 screws. We only need 1. Okay, let's get this into place. There we go. Brilliant. Excellent. What we need to do is to put the hubcap on, which is magnetic. Excellent. There we go. That's stage 9. This is metal, this. The other parts are all plastic. Well, that's cool, that. And now we have stage 10, the last for this month. Front left wheel. There we go. So we completed one wheel, just pop these 3 pieces together. DSO 2 screws, 3 of. And there we go, there's the wheel rim. Excellent. Look at that, that's beautiful, that. Love this paintwork. It's absolutely fantastic. Love to have a car like that. Land Rover, the accidental icon. And in the next issue, we have the tyre. Wheel nuts and hub for the second front wheel. Excellent. Let's get on with the build. And here are the parts. There we go, those are our parts. Basically pop the 3 parts together. There is, there we go, keel shape for that one. That one will go over here. There we go. That locates that perfectly. And then we do the outer rim, or inner rim. Yeah, that'll be the inner rim, which is plastic. The other 2 are metal. There we go. That's nicely together. And we need 3 DSO 2 screws. Okay, let's get the first screw into place. There we go. That's the left wheel rim. Looking superb. Lovely paintwork. Yeah, look fantastic, that. There is the right wheel rim. Right wheel, I should say. But there is the rim, obviously. You can see how good it is. It looks beautiful. Don't forget to initiate that offer as well if you're interested in this build. The first 10 issues for £50. Excellent stuff. There we go. So that's this month's Ford Falcon stages 7 to 10 complete. And there we have our completed parts. Door looks absolutely superb. Love that winding mechanism. Only goes like that, not fully down. Goes fully up, obviously, but it looks superb, and the paintwork is beautiful. Excellent. And we also get our first binder this month. There we go. Okay, excellent. Brilliant. That's a freebie. So there we go. That looks fantastic, does it not? That's brilliant. Can't wait to get all this completed. Eager beaver me. There's a completed wheel. Excellent. With the brake caliper on. Yeah. And the brake disc. And that is the wheel rim. Again, that looks absolutely fantastic. We'll complete that next month. There we go. Now, like I said before, there is an offer on the Hachette website. The first 10 issues for £50. You still get all the subscription gifts free. You carry on your subscription up to 130. It's looking excellent. Anyway, there we go. That is it for the Ford Falcon this month. I hope you did enjoy that. If you did, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next month. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.